So yes, you may have similar information on your email too, but you probably also know how painful email can get, especially when you try to use it in a bigger group of people. So what is the basic problem of email? The basic problem is that we send around information. So we create some information, then we make a lot of copies of this information, and then we push it into all the inboxes of all the involved people. We end up in fragmentation, in spam, because it's a push-only system, and in a lot of inconsistency. The solution to all these problems is contextualization. Contextualization means that we create for each topic a central location somewhere on the cloud, and we invite all the involved people to that particular place. So everyone is creating, updating, and discussing the information on that particular place. So in a contextualized system, we actually travel and not the information. So everything at the end has one single copy. All the information is owned and managed collectively, and all information stays in the original context. So if we have a final document, we also have the whole history, all the discussions, and all the involved people to that particular document. So Colayer is such a contextualized communication system. So Colayer is a broadcasting system for one-to-many communication like today's intranets. But Colayer is also a one-to-one, one-to-few, a group messaging system, whatever happens mostly on mail today. Then Colayer is also a document management system and a knowledge store. And finally, Colayer is a platform for integrating relevant business applications, so that all relevant information will end up on the Times page. But let's come back to Pandora, the knowledge and communication portal for employees, customers, and partners of Executive Insight, which is a specialized healthcare consulting firm. So as a team for their communication portal, they choose the film Avatar. Pandora is the name of the main planet there. And as seen as a technology, Executive Insight choose Colayer. Let's have a quick look on the structure of Pandora. On top here you see the main sections of Pandora. The customer section where all the customer projects are happening. The internal section for management, HR, finance, admin, etc. The cafeteria for the social updates, and the help section. This groups is only visible to administrators. It is for managing groups of people and their access level on Pandora. We are currently on the top page of this customer section. So on the right side here are all the customers of Executive Insight. We had to blur their names as well as employee names, but otherwise all screenshots are originals. And in the middle here we see summaries. We see a summary of the latest news, we see a summary of latest proposal, one of official documents, and one for deliverables. Summaries are generated automatically and display the headlines of all the news submitted anywhere in the subsections here. So you can of course click on a summary like this, and then in a new page you get all the details of, for example, the latest news. So you get here the latest news of all the projects, of course only the projects which you have access to. So let's drill down in the structure. Let's grow from one particular customer to a commercialization subsection, and there to one specific project, and this is how a project page looks like. So we have here the details of the content, here for example a CV, here a legal document, purchase orders, and here the proposal. And here on the left side you see summaries again, but these summaries, they are only for this project. So they summarize the most important proposal, news, deliverables, key knowledge items of this particular project. And then here we see the shuttle. The shuttle is the universal way of creating content. But let's discuss that in the next video.